Nathaniel, you ready for batting practice? Come on.
A baseball?
Over there? No, use this. Go put it up there.
It's up.
Okay, put it up there and then hit it. Nathaniel, put the ball up there and hit it. No, this thing right here, they're all in there. They're all in there. They're all in there. Put one up there and hit it. Yes, sir. Hit it hard. Watch it all the way. Good job. Get another one. Get another one. It doesn't matter which one. You just get you one. Yeah. No, put it up there and hit it. Hit it hard. Watch it all the way. And get you another one. Hit it hard. You gotta watch the ball though. You gotta watch it. You're not even watching. Nathaniel. Hit it and hit the ball. Come on. I thought you wanted to hit the ball. Pay attention. Pay attention. Good job. Get another one. You gotta look at the ball though. You can't just look away. Yeah. Good job. Good hit. Good hit. Got any more?
Yeah.
You got one more? Okay, watch it. Hit it hard. Hit it hard. Good job. Well, good practice, you know.